Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sam and Logan here. We've got some really cool cleaning mechanisms. This is the water broom, and this is the water surface cleaner. Stay tuned. We're going to give you what we think about these bad boys on the other side. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are finally opening up the pressure washer surface cleaner that we opened or box opened during our live video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out because there's a whole bunch of cool new tools that we're bringing to the channel and testing out. But today, again, we're doing the surface cleaner. So this is up to 2300 PSI. And designed specifically, is it designed specifically for the electrics? Yeah, so this one's meant for the electrics. So if you have an electric, and I'm seeing more and more of the electrics, I mean, they're saying it's 4 times faster. Now, one big difference over, we've opened a 12-inch before, we tested one, and I didn't love it. There's tape all over that thing.
I'm blind, I can't see the tape.
This one has caster wheels. It has 3 caster wheels for easier maneuvering, which wasn't a big issue. I didn't feel like the maneuverability. I did feel like the quality was lacking on the other 12-inch. So we'll see if the quality has improved with this one at all. Part number for this is RY31SC12. Dude, that's pretty slick. So
it's nice.
So just
brush or
yeah, it's got this brush line that keeps the water in. So this is better. This is a better quality than the 12-inch that I had. It's got better bristles. Now this is still plastic. So this bottom, the spinner is still plastic, which, I mean, that could cause issues depending on how much pressure you got going through there. They do have this little extender, which is kind of an exclusive thing to the electric. That's kind of how you can tell that it's for electrics, because it's got this extender, and because the electric wands are a little bit shorter, it allows you to reach the ground.
it does move
Yeah,
this way, but not any other way. But I guess with the wheels,
it allows you
all
to
you
spin
need.
it.
Actually, that feels really nice.
Yeah, you can tell that they've kind of downgraded the quality there, but the caster wheels look good. I mean, these look like pretty 50 by 25 little caster wheels. So we're gonna test it out and let you know what we think. Definitely see where we stopped. Pushing the line there. Come over here. This one was all done with the surface cleaner, and this one was done with the push broom. So you can't really see much of a difference between the push broom over here and the surface cleaner over here. So the push broom did a really good job. The question is, can the push broom match that? So what we'll do is we'll take the push broom and see if we can get it down to that same level, or if it's going to take the surface cleaner to get that off. Let's find out. All right, so there it is, cleaned up. Not quite dry yet, but you can still tell a little bit right there. You can see where the clean line was. So the surface cleaner definitely did a little bit better of a job. But if you're just going for a quick clean, that's not too terrible. Again, obviously the deeper clean with the surface cleaner, you can see the line right there and down here that it did. But still not too bad. Got it cleaned up.
Okay, welcome back, guys. So Logan, start us off.
So we took the surface cleaner out, and again, the 12-inch surface cleaner that we've had on the channel before. If you haven't watched that, go watch that video. It wasn't great construction, and I feel like they've definitely improved on that. The caster wheels helped make it movable. It helped
keep these bristles from rubbing and keeping you too stuck up on stuff. I did feel a couple times when it got like almost high centered, because you feel it kind of hit the bristles on the cement. At the same time, because it's on the casters, it almost felt like it was too high at some points. I felt like sometimes it got into like there was a valley in the cement and it wasn't cleaning very well. In general, again, we'll see how long it lasts. I think this is one of those ones where it'll be a test of how long does this actually last before the plastic wears out and everything starts to fall apart. But casters are great. It was very movable, almost too movable. Like I had to slow down because the wheels
wanted the pressure just to keep rolling. It's like hovering faster.
Yeah.
What's unique about this one?
So a couple things that are nice. Again, most of the time the electrics, in fact, most surface cleaners in the home, consumer DIY don't have the wheel. So that is huge. The only other ones that I've seen are either commercial grade or the really big ones. So the fact that it came with 3 casters is pretty cool. It does go up to 2,300 PSI, which ours, what's this one, 2,000?
2,000. And they're it's built specifically for electric pressure washers, which is actually a big deal because a lot of the
attachments are not.
They're not, yeah. So
that's pretty cool. It did a really good job. So in comparison to the water broom, which we love, surprisingly, the water broom is one of my favorite accessories as well, because it's just so good at pushing big debris.
It just moves
gets it out there.
All the rocks, all the dirt, sand. It's surprisingly better than I thought it would be. And because you have the ability to rotate, you can do direct, really powerful spray and then slowly move it out to move a lot more material as well.
Yeah, and throw it. So that was, in my opinion, that was the one to beat, right? Like it had to do better than this to justify its existence in the garage. So if you already have the water broom, why would you get this? And what we found is, on the cement, it does do a better job.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Which is impressive. So I was glad to see that it was able to do better than the water broom, because that's what it should be able to do. It should do better. It only has these 2 little sprayers, and if you go slow enough, you should be able to take it off. So in total, I was happy. I still think, and maybe this is a compromise they have to make because of the electric, because it doesn't have the pressure to push metal, around, that they had to sacrifice the plastic. So for what they had to sacrifice to get to this level, I think it's okay. Overall, first impression on this one is better than I expected, not as good as I'd hoped, I guess is where you can put it. It works well with these pressure washers. If you want a real surface cleaner, get probably a real pressure washer first. But for electrics, I think it did a really good job for what it is.
Yeah, and honestly, if we had to choose between the two, we'd do the water broom. It does pretty much almost as good at cleaning the surface off, and then the versatility of being able to push so much material, and with it to be able to go and be undercarriage cleaner. It's awesome. This is a really awesome water broom. So big fan of this. So
in combination, they're great, but if you had to choose one, probably still stick with the water broom. We had a lot of rocks and stuff getting caught up inside. It was kind of annoying, but yeah, there it is.
All right, guys, let us know which one you would choose and why. And thanks for watching as always. And comment below, and also subscribe. It really helps us out. We appreciate it. Thank you. And we'll see you guys in the next video.